Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete recent files in Windows 11. If you want to clean up your system or just protect your privacy, clearing recent files is quick and easy. Let's dive in. Windows 11 tracks your recently accessed files. To help you quickly find them, these appear in File Explorer under Recent, but sometimes you might want to clear this history for privacy or organization reasons. To clear the entire history, click on the three dots ellipsis in the toolbar at the top of File Explorer, then select Options. Under the General tab, look for the section called Privacy. Click the Clear button next to Clear File Explorer History. If you don't want Windows to track your recent files in the future, uncheck the boxes for Show Recently Used Files in Privacy, as well as the Show Frequently Used Folders. And that's it. Now, you know how to delete recent files in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.